Another TCL statement that we need to know is rollback. And it's just simply a way of undoing changes that we made with our DML commands. Think of rollback as the same as an undo button on any other application. Let's go straight ahead to the example to see how this works. Again, I have two SQL developers open up, and they are both connected to the same scheme. So they simulate two users performing some changes on the database. First, I'm going to create my table. And let's check the status. So on the left session, the table is empty, and on the right session, the table is empty. I'm going to insert one row, and I'm going to commit that work. So now my changes are saved for all the users because the changes have been saved on the database. I'm going to insert two more rows. And to check, in my left session, there are 3 rows, and on my right session, there is only 1 row, as changes have not been saved to the database. Now, if I want to revert back those 2 inserts, I could delete those 2 rows with the following command. However, I can do that also with a rollback. So the syntax is rollback work. And again, the keyword work is just optional. So let's execute this. Rollback has been completed, and let's check the state. As we can see, those 2 rows have been rolled back, or the insertion has been undone. On the right session, the state is completely the same. So, important to remember is that rollback will only roll back changes that have been performed since the last commit, regardless if it's implicit or explicit. This is it for this one, and see you in the next one.